Street train, it's coming in. 30. Express train coming in. Solana Force. We've got 456. All taken off to 30th Street. So that was train 6519. Catch the airport train and the Warminster train soon. And the Deadhead. Here we got the airport train coming in. Another set of Solana Force. I think this is the airport train. This is Solana Force. Solana Force coming in. Solana 4 cars 138, 137. Hello. Train behind early today. Those other trains are gone for good. It's leaving. This time, leaving. Solana 4 cars 138, 137, 420, 419. All taken off to the airport. 419 looks like he's kind of broken on the strips that hold the train together. That was pretty different. But we're still waiting on the Warminster. Hope he doesn't get late today. More to come. Wait, 2 trains coming in at the same time. Here we got 2 trains coming in. We got the first 2 trains. First up, we got the Solana Force that coming in. Solana 4 rail cars. To Glenside, 443, 444, 289, one more, but we got another train. Deadhead. Got 276 trailing. Got another train coming in. 205s. Got 876. 289 and 276, all taken off to Glenside. And we even got the train to Newark, but I don't know what's leaving. So 1 of 5 rail cars, 876, the Independence Blue Cross car. 875, TD car. 813, all taken off. We got 2. What do you say? Yeah. 2 trains at once. One's a Solana 4, one's a Solana 5. So 3 Solana 4s and 1 Solana 5. So if we get the next unwritten train on this side, or the Warminster train, or the Deadhead, or the Doylestown. Warminster train 418 coming in. I believe this is the Warminster train. We're going in for yoga class, that's why. And there we got Solana 4 rail cars. We got 300. And Whalers will forget anything. Here we got the Warminster train, 418. I think these were the rail cars that were running on that train. yesterday. It's leaving. So on four cars 300, 129, 130, and 303. All taken off to Warminster. 300, 129, 130, and 303. All to Warminster coming back. Coming back as an airport train, more to come. And they were ranking announcement about masks. More to come. Here we got the train coming in. What's the wonderful rail cars leading? The 276, I think. Coming in. Saltwater Force. We got 276 coming back. I'm going inside. It's a 30th Street train. Leaving. The water 4 rail cars 276, 289, 444, and 443. All taken out to 230th Street. As more people come in for yoga class. Six. Good. One more train left. We got the last train coming in. It's a deadhead train. Which it is. Going to Warminster. Deadhead train. Saltwater Force. Saltwater 4 rail cars. Leading. 433. 113. 283. I'll take it up to Warminster. That's it for today. See you next time for part 18. Yes. Coming in. The girls come train. 5:30. So on the fives. Keeps expressing. Doorstown with 701. I'll take it off to girls town. Coming in obnoxiously. Saltwater 5s. Where is this going? That's this train. I think this is the West Trenton. Saltwater 5 rail cars. 877. 878. 721. Early. Leaving 857, 878, 721, and 760. blowing his horn as he's leaving. That's it for today. See you next time for part 18. Yeah, part 18.